Okay, so we need to factor two of them. This one is okay. We need to factor this one into what?
X plus 1 minus 1.
X plus 1, x minus 1. This one, minus 1, minus 1, yes. So what is the most times we have the x minus 1? We have 1, 1, and 2, so we're going to do 2 of them. And do we have any other factors we need?
No. Oh,
X plus 1. Okay, so to get this common denominator, we need to multiply this one. That would be like this. We need to multiply it by both of these, right? And what is this when you multiply it out?
X squared.
X squared minus 1. So we're going to multiply the top times x squared minus 1. This one are these two right here. So you're going to multiply the top times x minus 1. Right here we have the two x minus 1s. So you need to multiply it by x plus 1. Okay, so now we're going to write all that down here. We have x squared minus 1 times 1 is just x squared minus 1. We're going to multiply this through. Okay, so we have 4x, we have plus 4x, and then 4 times negative 1, minus 4, negative 4. Let's change this into adding a negative so we don't forget to carry the minus through. The negative 2 times x is minus 2x. Negative 2 times 1, minus 2. Okay, we'll start with our biggest x. So we have x squared. Our x terms, positive 4, negative 2. Positive 2x. And all of the numbers, they're all negative.
Negative 7.
Yeah, add them up. 4, 5, 6, 7. Negative 7. And will that, I don't think that's going to factor in anything that you can, it won't factor, no. 3 and 4 won't, no. We aren't going to factor it, that's as far as you can go. Because the only factors of 7 are 1 times 7, not even 3 times 4. Those two, the difference won't give you 2, so you can't factor it. Okay, 18 we're not doing, because that comes from 6.8, so we're going to skip to 19. Seven over y minus 1 over 3 equals 1 over 4. What's the common denominator?
12y.
Right. This has to go into 12 and we need a y, so we need 12y. Okay, let's go ahead and put the numbers we started with so we don't forget them up there. And go through here and decide what we need to multiply. The y, we multiplied by 12. So we need to multiply the top times 12. The 3, what do we multiply it by? 4 and y. And the 4 we multiplied by
3y.
3 and the y. Okay, now that we have a common denominator, to solve this, if we multiplied everything times 12y, it would get rid of our, it would cancel the bottoms out for us. So So we can just drop the bottoms once we get the common denominator. So now we have 7 times 12, 84, so go right backwards. Minus 1 times 4y is 4y, equals 1 times 3y, is just 3y. To solve it, we want to get the y's all one side. We don't want to bring this one over here because we have a number there. We want to take this one over there. So minus 4, we're going to add 4. Add 4y. You still have 84 on this side. 3 plus 4, 7y. Now what do we do?
Divide by 7.
Divide by 7. So y equals 12. And that's your answer. What you need to do when you get an answer and there's a variable on the denominator, make sure it won't make that a 0. It's okay to have a 12 in the denominator. So that's our answer and it's okay. Number 20. (15 over x minus 15 over x minus 2 equals negative 2. What's our common denominator?
X times x minus 2.
X times x minus 2. So to get this, we had to multiply the first one times x minus 2, right? So we're going to multiply the top times x minus 2. What did we multiply x minus 2 by?
X.
Just the x, right? So just multiply 15 times the x. After the equal sign, this would be over 1. You have to multiply by all of it. You need the x and the x minus 2. So you need to do the top times the x and times x minus 2. Okay, does that make sense? Okay, now we're going to put it all on top of here. Actually, we'll be able to get rid of that, but that's okay. 15x, multiply this, and then minus 15 times 2 is minus 30. Then we have minus 15x equals negative 2x times
Negative 2x plus 4.
it's going to be a square here. We don't need the denominator anymore, right? Once you have a common denominator, we don't need it there. Because we canceled it out. We're able to cancel it out. So we can get rid of that. Okay, so this part we want to write as negative 15, 15 minus 30.
Yes.
And then minus 15x equals negative 2x squared
Plus
plus
4.
4x, right?
4x, yeah.
Okay, we want to get it all to one side.
Can you
So-
tell me how you got down at the bottom? The first picture has the x by it.
The first what?
The first picture doesn't have an x by it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe 15 x minus?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Great. So this is wrong right here.
How did the bottom come
Because they're all the same.
The same way we did it on the problem before.